Rain. Drizzle drops. Raindrops. Rain showers. Downpour. Torrential rain. Flooding. Drizzle drops. Raindrops. Rain showers. Downpour. Torrential rain. Flooding. Cold. Snow. Snowflake. Hail. Hailstones. Frost. Blizzard. Snow. Snowflake. Hail. Hailstone. Frost. Blizzard. Clouds. Bright and sunny. Cloudy. Gloomy. Foggy. Bright and sunny. Cloudy. Gloomy. Foggy. Wind. Breeze. Windy. Gale. Hurricane, cyclone, typhoon. Breeze. Windy. Gale. Hurricane. Cyclone. Typhoon. Temperature. Hot. Warm. Cool. Chilly. Cold. Freezing. Hot. It's so hot and humid today. Warm. It's nice and warm today. Cool. It's cool today, so bring a jacket. Chilly. It's a bit chilly today, let's stay inside. Cold. It's pretty cold today. Freezing. It's freezing today. Thermometer. Degrees Celsius. Degrees Fahrenheit. Lightning. Thunder. Puddle. Rainbow. Questions about the weather. How's the weather? What is it like outside? What's the weather like? What's the temperature? What's the weather forecast? What's the forecast for tomorrow? 4 seasons of the year. Spring. Summer. Autumn, or fall. Winter. Springtime. Longer daylight hours. The sun shines a little stronger. The flowers begin to bloom. The temperatures start to drop. It's windy and rainy sometimes. Summertime. The hottest season of the year. The days are longer. The sun shines brightly in a clear sky. The trees are full of leaves. Autumn or fall. The days become shorter. Leaves start to fall from the trees. Colder days. The harvest season. Wintertime. The coldest time of the year. Short days and long nights. It snows in some places. In others, it's the rainfall season.